Hello my angels, my dears, I'm Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Now as you all know, the holidays are coming up and I know a lot of you looking for recipes. The next few videos for my channel will be videos of sides, of entrees, and of desserts for the holidays. I hope these videos will help you prepare for your holiday celebration. Go through them, choose the ones that you like or you think your family would like. I'm sure you'll be able to find some dishes, some sides, some entrees that you'll be able to use for your holiday meal. All right? Well, enjoy your holiday, everyone. I love you. Please be a blessing to people and Merry Christmas. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Here's a simply delicious and lovely side to add to your holiday dinner. Be sure to give me a like, that's a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Leave me a comment down below and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Please be the blessing to someone, and as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I'll see you next time.